Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of marketing and branding and explore how colors are used to influence consumer behavior. Have you ever noticed how certain brands consistently use the same colors in their logos and advertisements? There's a reason for that, and it's all about creating a strong emotional connection with consumers. Let's start with a question. Think about some of your favorite brands. What colors are associated with them, and how do those colors make you feel? For example, when you think of Coca-Cola, you probably picture the bold red logo. That's because red is a color that's often associated with energy, excitement, and passion. Coca-Cola wants you to feel energized and excited about their product, so they use red prominently in their branding. On the other hand, think about a brand like Apple. Their logo is a simple, sleek apple silhouette in silver. Silver is a color that's often associated with innovation, sophistication, and modernity. Apple wants you to associate their products with cutting-edge technology and sleek design, so they use silver to convey that message. Color psychology plays a crucial role in branding because colors can evoke specific emotions and associations. Let's take a look at some common color associations in branding. Blue is often used to convey trust, reliability, and professionalism. That's why many banks and financial institutions use blue in their branding. Green is associated with nature, health, and tranquility. It's often used by brands that want to convey a sense of environmental responsibility or wellness. Yellow is a bright, cheerful color that's often associated with optimism and happiness. It's used by brands that want to evoke positive emotions and energy. Red is a bold, attention-grabbing color that's often associated with passion and excitement. It's used by brands that want to create a sense of urgency or excitement around their products. Orange is a color that's often associated with enthusiasm, creativity, and energy. It's used by brands that want to stand out and be seen as innovative. Of course, the way we perceive colors can be influenced by cultural and personal factors. For example, in Western cultures, white is often associated with purity and cleanliness, while in some Eastern cultures, it's associated with mourning. It's important for brands to consider these cultural nuances when choosing colors for their branding. Color psychology isn't just about choosing the right colors for logos and branding. It's also about using colors strategically in marketing materials. For example, using red or orange in a call to action button can create a sense of urgency and encourage people to take action. Using green in a product description can convey a sense of health and wellness. The key is to use colors in a way that aligns with your brand's message and resonates with your target audience. So as you think about your own branding or marketing efforts, consider the emotions and associations you want to evoke in your audience. How can you use color to create a strong and memorable brand identity? Are there changes you can make to your branding or marketing materials that might resonate more with your target audience? In our next lesson, we'll explore how colors are used in interior design to create different moods and atmospheres. We'll look at how you can use color to transform a space and create a specific ambience. Until then, keep thinking about the brands you love and how their colors make you feel. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.